that face?
She got bigger overnight.
I know, she does look like she got way bigger overnight. Hi! We are going someplace really exciting tomorrow, and I don't have a single bag packed. I do have like all of the clothes out, but I just have to physically pack them all into the suitcase and make sure that they are appropriate for the weather, because I was expecting it to be a little bit cooler than it's going to be where we're going, so I might need to change up a couple of the outfits that I had planned. But I'm really excited because this will be like the start of the trip, and then there will be a vlog for the rest of the vacation. So keep watching so you know where we are going. But make sure you subscribe if you're new and have your bell notifications turned on, because I'm gonna be changing up my posting schedule over the next couple of months, so that way you know every time a new video goes up. But I'm excited to take you along on this trip. And clearly I didn't have time to cook, but at least you get some fresh fruit. Donald nodded, but there isn't enough water coming out of them to keep us cool, he said. It's too bad the town pool doesn't open until next week, said Nikki. You say, the end. The end. Okay. Night night. Love you. Night, love you. Coley. I got all of my packing supplies here, and I reuse these plastic bags to put the kiddos' clothes in so that they're organized every time we travel. But nothing in my suitcase, but all the clothes are over there laid out. I've just got so much going on these days, you guys. It's bananas. But before I get packing, because clearly not a thing is in my suitcase, and we have to be up at like 5 o'clock in the morning to make our flight tomorrow, so gotta get to it. I want to thank this vlog sponsor, Simple Contacts. So they reached out to me in July, and the timing could not have been more perfect for everything that was going on with my dad. I was running low on my contacts. I jumped on trying this out, and it was so easy. It was midnight, and from my own home, logged on to Simple Contacts, took my eye vision test, took an eye redness test, and a licensed ophthalmologist is actually who reviews your test. And in my midnight fog, I wore my glasses instead of my contacts like a total dummy. So the next day I got a message from the doctor from Simple Contacts who said, hey, can you log back on and take your test again wearing your contacts this time so we can make sure that your prescription still works so we can renew your prescription. So I took the test. It took about 2 minutes. It was super, super fast, and you just position your laptop 10 feet away from you when you take the exam. And once it got renewed, my contacts got delivered right to my door. It saved me so much time that I just don't have these days with everything going on. So I didn't have to go to my eye doctor. It only cost $20 for the online vision test, so really affordable. And the contacts themselves, they were less than what I used to pay when I would order my contacts, and the shipping was free. So I had to share this with you guys. I know whether you are a mama who works at home or out of the home, time is limited. So if you are a contacts wearer, I would highly recommend trying this because it will save you so much time and money. So get $20 off your first order of contacts at simplecontacts.com/BriannaK or under the code BriannaK when you check out. And just a little disclaimer here, this is not a replacement for your regular eye exam that you should be having, but it is just a way to renew your prescription and save you a lot of time from having to go into an eye appointment. So again, for $20 off your first order, visit simplecontacts.com/BriannaK. I also have a link in my description box below that you can click on when you're done watching this vlog. So I've got my plain outfit all figured out for tomorrow. I've just got to put all of these things in my suitcase and get the kids' stuff in their bags. I feel like I always have a lot of people who appreciate when I show a little bit of the behind the scenes. So obviously I want to take cute family photos for the gram and just, you know, to put in our house and that kind of a thing. So what I always try to do is kind of look at the colors I'm wearing and then see if the kids have anything similar colored. So since this is like a black and this is more of like a mustard color, but then this like brown boots, I have this little romper for Presley then that has the black and the creams and the gold. And same thing, Landon has like a black t-shirt for this day. And then sort of mommy and me style, this little maroon dress for Presley. In this sweater, I have a sort of similar sweater with then like a maroon colored top. So that's kind of sometimes how I will coordinate our outfits for when we're together. And like for this day when we're hiking, I have a lime green shirt, so I packed like a lime green outfit for Landon, that kind of a thing. I'm sure there are way more professional ways of doing this that other Instagrammers or YouTubers might be able to fill me in on, but Coley, we're just doing our thing over here. See, this is how Mama does it. And it's almost 9:30, and I realized a few things I forgot in their room, so I have to make sure I bring those tomorrow morning and throw them in the suitcase. All right, so here's how I do all of the kiddo stuff again, with like the bags with the day and the weather and what the activities are that day. And then this way, if Adam or my sister or someone is helping them get ready, it's pretty much a no-brainer. And this is just like their jackets and shoes and Landon's big boy underwear and jackets and swimsuits. It's a race car?
Yeah. That was a big that might be a bad driver.
It might be. I think that one might be a bad driver.
I was really sure, but then right that me is a bad driver.
Because he didn't stop at the red light? Yeah, you're right. Made it out of the house this morning, not quite on the time I wanted to leave. Does anybody else's like significant other and you like always disagree on the times that you should leave for things? Because that's me and this guy.
Hey, I have
We'll be there in plenty of time.
I mean, like, we'll get there, but I feel like because of my just anxiety and knowing everything that could, like I always play in my head like, well, if the kids need a change or if we need to like stop and get this for them, like all of that extra time I like budget for. So I feel like I'm the crazy like backwards planner, whereas Adam's more like, okay, this is like the time that we need and we can just get there, get it done, and he's more efficient, whereas I'm always like, okay, just in case something goes wrong, we should leave at this time. So we like disagreed by like a half hour and we ended up leaving more at his time just because of everything I was trying to get out the door, because he still can't lift the suitcases or anything like that. So I'm ready for you to be better.
Well, I picked Landon up outside.
You did?
He fell.
Oh my God.
He fell because he was trying to get his book bag on and he wanted to beat me to the car, so he ran and he's fine.
Babe, are you okay, Leon?
His hands didn't look bad.
No, you're not. Are you being dramatic? Yeah, Presley, we're going.
Here's my real boo-boo
Peanuts
on my
back
pants.
there. You have a boo-boo on your pants?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, honey. It'll be okay. I'll kiss it when we get out of the car.
And it was right in my tongue on my real fine for the
are almost to the airport. I'm just really looking forward for this little mini getaway because we're going to a place that we've never been to before, and I don't know, I think there's something I just really like about traveling. There is. Okay, we'll wait and we'll get a tissue when we get out of the car, okay? We're almost to the airport. You got it?
Yeah.
Sick, okay. Well, we'll get a tissue when we get out of the car and hand sanitizer.
I got my boo-boo off of my nose.
Okay. But anyways, I'm really excited to take you guys along and just fast update on my dad. This was actually the first week where he did make a little bit of progress towards his goals in rehab, so that was just exciting. And when I left him yesterday, I felt like I was leaving him in a really good place. So my aunt's gonna be checking in on him too while we're gone, so it's just nice to have that like network and support so we can have this trip, because I feel like it's so needed. Don't you feel like it's needed right now?
Yeah, it's been a while since we...
Yeah. And to see someplace brand new.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah.
No,
But
I'm really excited.
you're
You are
really
too?
excited.
Are you more excited than me?
No.
I'm more excited.
No, ow.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
But thanks so much for watching. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you can see when our travel vlog goes up. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves. Say bye.
Bye. To the airport.
There's the airport.